Hello kids! So today in this video we are going to learn alphabets from A to L, both in capital letters and small letters. So let's get started. So first I'll take green color to write the letter A. This is capital letter A. A for apple. And this one is small letter A. A for apple. A for apple. Next I'll take orange color and write the letter B. This is capital letter B. B for ball. B for ball. This is small letter B. B for ball. Next I'll choose yellow color and write the letter C. This is capital letter C. C for cat. And this one is small letter C. C for cat. Blue color. This is capital letter D. D for dog. And this one is small letter D. D for dog. Next I'll choose dark green color and write the letter E. This is capital letter E. E for elephant. E for elephant. This is small letter E. E for elephant. Next I'll choose red color and write the letter F. This is capital letter F. F. F for fish. This is small letter F. F for fish. Next I'll choose gray color and write the letter G. This is capital letter G. G for gate. And this one is small letter G. G for gate. Purple color. This is capital letter H. H for house. And this one is small letter H. H for house. Next I'll choose brown color and write the letter I. This is capital letter I. I for ice cream. And this one is small letter I. I for ice cream. Pink color. This is capital letter J. J for jug. This is small letter J. J for jug. Next I'll take black color to write the letter K. This is capital letter K. K for king. And this one is small letter K. K for king. And finally I'll take dark blue color and write the letter L. This is capital letter L. And this one is small letter L. L for lion. L for lion. So that's it for today kids. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, hit a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.